Okay, Ernie, what'd you do up there?
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
I just installed a secondary camera. This camera is going to see behind where the car is.
When we're towing it.
When we're towing it, and it'll see further back than the camera that's factory installed. This factory installed one only shows the towed vehicle and not behind it. So that's why the second camera.
What kind of camera is that? What brand?
It's just one that I got off of Amazon.
Okay. I'll post it in the comments. We'll look it up. Okay, so it's all hooked up and paired, you said, right?
Yes.
So we need to go inside and look at the screen, right?
Right.
Okay. This is the screen. It's a bigger screen than we have down here for the other camera. And tell me about the screen, Ernie.
Well, it's just a camera screen that pairs with this. It can go up to 4 cameras if you so desire. You can buy various kits that have from 1 to 4 cameras. We just need 1.
Okay. So what do I need to do? Turn the lights on?
Turn the lights on.
I have to turn the lights on because we will be traveling with the lights on. And then that shows...
It's sitting on the roof right now.
Sitting on the roof. So it shows the tree across the street right now.
Right. I'm going to move it to a different position so you can tell me what you
Okay.
like.
All right.
Okay, position 1 is going to be next to the existing camera.
For better communication, we're going to use our walkie-talkies. He's climbing the ladder. Ah, he's got the camera in his hand.
This is position 1 next to the existing camera.
Okay, that's good. I see across the street and up the hill, and I see that white truck pulling up.
Do you see any existence next to it of the current camera?
No, I see your arm, but I don't see anything with the current camera.
Tell me when you don't see my hand.
I see it. It's in the middle of the screen. I keep seeing it. It's going more and more. Now your hand is gone, but your arm is there.
Perfect. Where it'll go.
I see your right shoulder.
This is a wider angle.
Okay.
So now I can install the base.
Great. If you like this video and you got some information from it, please give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay crafty when you're installing a new camera on your RV. Thanks for watching.